Chinese in the rain. It's Chinese in your brain.
With your teacher, Mr. Umbrella. Bread and butter pudding. Hello, I'm Mr. Umbrella. How are you? Whoa! Not so loud. Today we're going to be learning pronouns, Cantonese pronouns that is. But first, let's learn how to say umbrella. How do we say umbrella? Well, it's simple. It's ja. Yes, ja. But we're learning pronouns, so how do we say this is my umbrella? Well, we say 呢個係我條 ja. Yes. Very good. But what if we want to say this is his umbrella? Oh, how apropos. What do we have here? This is his umbrella. How do we say his? 佢呢個係佢條 ja. You see, 佢 means his or her. Hurrah for female equality! What about now, huh? What's this? This is our umbrella. Our, 我哋呢個係我哋條 ja. What about their umbrella? How do we say this is their umbrella? 呢個係佢哋條 ja. Did you spot the pattern? Good job! Well, that's it for this week. Pronouns. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Well, goodbye.